Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the Nagarro interview questions that were asked related to Java. So let me share my screen and let us discuss this question. So this was asked to one of our subscriber in the Nagarro company, and the question was string S1 equal to new string of test and string S2 equal to new string of test. What would be the output of these two statements? So before we go ahead, if you know the answer, please put in the comment section of the video, as well as let us discuss what would be the answer for this particular question. Now, when you are keeping this particular value, S1 equal to S2, right? So what is happening is there is a difference between these two things. This equal to is not same as this equals. Okay, so this equal to is actually doing the validation for your references. Okay, so when we are creating a string with a new keyword, right? A separate memory is explicitly allocated for that particular string, right? So let's say if you are creating this string, so we do one thing. Let me just open a notepad wherein I can easily show it to you. Fine. So if you're writing like this, so this, and then you write the statements that you have, system.out.println. Okay, so this is your reference comparison, right? What is happening when you are creating this string S1? A separate memory is allocated for S1, right? Separate memory is allocated. When you are taking care of S2, okay, then over there again, a separate memory has been created for you, right? So that is why when you are doing reference comparison, then the values would be, sorry, you are doing reference comparison, then it would be different. So the output of the system.out.println would be false, right? The first one would be the false value. But if you see this S1 dot equals S2, right? The output would be true for this because the value is the same, right? So the point here is when you are doing a reference comparison, the point of the references are different. That is why you're getting the output as false. But if you're checking the values, it would be the same. So this is how you can understand. Okay. See, S1 and S2 are referring to two different memory locations. In the string, you are aware about heap memory locations and you are aware about the stack memory. So memory management's in Java, right? So when you keep S1 equal to S2, so equal to operator is checking whether both reference point to the same memory location or not. Now, since you are using new string, is already always creating two different string objects in the heap memory. S1 and S2 refer to the two different memory locations. So S1 equal to S2 returns false. And S1 equal to S2, which is actually your value comparison, which is your content-based comparison. So that would return you a true value, right? So that's how you can give the answer in your interview as well, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it and stay tuned for more updates.